Welcome to The Blueprint to Real Estate Success, Mastering Kansas City's Market with Alpine Property Management. If you're looking to navigate the vibrant and complex world of real estate in Kansas City, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the market's intricacies and leveraging the right strategies are crucial steps toward success. And that's where Alpine Property Management comes in, providing you with the expertise and support to make your real estate goals a reality. Let's dive into the strategies that will help you master the Kansas City real estate market. First and foremost, understanding the local market is key. Kansas City is a mosaic of diverse neighborhoods, each with its own character, opportunities, and challenges. From the bustling downtown to the serene suburbs, knowing where to invest requires a deep understanding of the market's dynamics. This is where Alpine Property Management shines. Our local expertise and on-the-ground insights give you a significant advantage, helping you identify the most lucrative investment opportunities. Investment strategy is the cornerstone of real estate success. Whether you're focused on long-term rentals, flipping houses, or commercial properties, defining your investment goals and strategies is essential. With Alpine Property Management, you're not just getting a property manager, you're gaining a strategic partner. We work closely with you to understand your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences, tailoring our approach to meet your needs. This personalized strategy ensures that your investments are aligned with your objectives, maximizing your returns. Now let's talk about the We Buy Houses program, an integral part of our services at Alpine Property Management. For investors looking to sell their properties quickly and without the usual hassle, this program offers an efficient and straightforward solution. Whether you're looking to cash out and reinvest in another market or simply streamline your portfolio, our We Buy Houses program provides a seamless transaction process. It's just one of the many ways we support our clients throughout their investment journey. Effective property management is what sets successful investors apart. It's about more than just collecting rent. It's about maximizing property value, ensuring tenant satisfaction, and minimizing vacancies. This is where Alpine Property Management's expertise truly shines. Our comprehensive property management services cover everything from tenant screening and leasing to maintenance and renovations. By entrusting your properties to us, you're ensuring they are managed efficiently and professionally, freeing you to focus on expanding your portfolio. But our services don't stop there. At Alpine Property Management, we understand that the real estate market is ever evolving. That's why we stay ahead of the curve, leveraging the latest market trends and technologies to benefit our clients. From advanced marketing strategies to ensure your properties reach the right audience to utilizing property management software for seamless operations, we're committed to innovation. This proactive approach not only enhances the performance of your properties but also positions you for long-term success in the Kansas City market. Building a successful real estate portfolio in Kansas City is a journey, and it's one that you don't have to navigate alone. With Alpine Property Management by your side, you have access to a team of experts dedicated to your success. Our commitment to excellence, combined with our deep understanding of the Kansas City market, makes us the ideal partner for your real estate investment endeavors. As we continue to explore the blueprint to real estate success in Kansas City with Alpine Property Management, it's essential to focus on the advanced strategies that can elevate your investment game. Mastering the market isn't just about making smart purchases. It's about optimizing every aspect of your investment to ensure it grows and yields the maximum return possible. Let's delve deeper into how Alpine Property Management can help you achieve this. A critical factor in the success of any real estate investment is the ability to adapt to market changes. The Kansas City market, like any other, goes through fluctuations. Alpine Property Management prides itself on staying ahead of market trends, economic indicators, and shifts in demand. This agility ensures that your investment strategies remain robust and responsive to the market's dynamics, maximizing your profitability in any economic climate. Moreover, a significant advantage offered by Alpine Property Management is our comprehensive approach to portfolio diversification. Diversification is key to mitigating risk and ensuring steady returns. By spreading investments across different types of properties and locations within Kansas City, you can safeguard against market volatility. Alpine's expertise in the local market allows us to identify unique opportunities for diversification, ensuring your portfolio is well-positioned to withstand market fluctuations and capitalize on growth opportunities. Tenant management is another cornerstone of our strategy. Alpine Property Management doesn't just find tenants. We find the right tenants. Through a rigorous screening process, we ensure that your properties are occupied by reliable, long-term tenants. This reduces turnover and vacancy rates, driving consistent rental income. We also focus on tenant satisfaction, understanding that happy tenants are more likely to renew their leases. This involves proactive maintenance, timely responses to tenant queries, and creating a positive living environment. By prioritizing tenant management, Alpine helps solidify the stability and profitability of your investment. Furthermore, Alpine Property Management is committed to leveraging technology to enhance the efficiency and performance of your investment. From state-of-the-art property management software that streamlines operations to digital marketing strategies that maximize property exposure, technology is at the heart of what we do. This not only ensures efficient management of your properties, but also enhances their appeal to potential tenants and buyers, driving up their value. Lastly, transparency and communication are the bedrock of our relationship with investors. Alpine Property Management believes in keeping you informed every step of the way. Through regular updates, detailed reports, and open lines of communication, we ensure that you have all the information you need to make informed decisions about your investment. This partnership approach to property management ensures that your vision for your investment aligns with our management strategies, creating a synergistic path to success. In wrapping up, mastering the Kansas City real estate market is an ambitious goal, but with the right partner, it's entirely achievable. Alpine Property Management offers a comprehensive suite of services designed to optimize your investment. From strategic acquisitions and effective property management to portfolio diversification and leveraging technology, our commitment to your success sets us apart and makes us the ideal partner in your real estate journey. Thank you for exploring the blueprint to real estate success with us. If you're ready to take your Kansas City real estate investments to the next level, Alpine Property Management is here to guide you every step of the way. Let's turn your real estate aspirations into reality with a partnership built on expertise, trust, and a shared vision for success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into real estate investing and property management. Your engagement helps us reach more investors eager to navigate the rewarding landscape of Kansas City's real estate market. Together, with Alpine Property Management, let's build a future of unparalleled real estate success.